One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. 3, 2, 1. TGiTECH. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and it's time for Thank God It's Tech. That's right, TGiTECH, and I want to thank each and every one of my subscribers for getting me to 10,000. That is so awesome. I'm so stoked. I'm headed to 50, maybe 100, maybe a million here, and maybe a million there. Who knows? But first up, let's talk about the Pocophone. That's right. Looks like the next big update for the Pocophone that was supposed to have some real good goodies and also some bug fixes is gonna be delayed. I'm so sorry to tell you, bad news, until March. They said that the next update was supposed to come out in February, but I guess Chinese New Year kind of delayed everything, so you're not gonna get that next update on your Pocophone until March. Now, the good news is looks like they're gonna be adding 4K 60 frames per second, also some Netflix so that you can watch Netflix. They're gonna have that certification on there supposedly. Also, they're supposed to fix the touch lag issue that has been working well on some of the betas, and also that drain battery issue that we've all been having on the latest update on the Pocophone. So hang in there, looks like it's gonna be coming for you guys in March. Now, Samsung's gonna be releasing the Galaxy S10 on February 20th. They're actually announcing it, not releasing it. And this looks like it's going to be a worldwide wonder next Wednesday. Everybody's gonna be talking about it. YouTube might actually explode with all the coverage of the new devices, because they're also gonna be, along with the S10 line, they're gonna be releasing the foldable model. Duh. Did anyone really find this as a surprise? No, the Galaxy X or F or foldable or whatever they're gonna call it. Leave it down in the comment down below. What do you guys think they're gonna call this foldable display? But looks like they're gonna show it in all its glory, which is great. Also gonna be dropping, it looks like an S10 5G version. So if you got the moolah for that kind of device, then get your pocketbook ready, because they will be announcing that. Now, there was a video released on YouTube of the S10. Check out this video. Now, doesn't something look weird with the fingerprint? What's that big hole in the middle? I don't understand. I don't like the coin slot on the top right, but that fingerprint screen protector or whatever you want to call it, that looks weird. But the Galaxy S10 are offering, you could pre-register the device or pre-order or whatever you want to do. You can also have the ability to trade in your iPhones, your Samsungs, your Pixels, your LGs, your Motorola's. They're actually giving some good deals on the Note 9, the Pixel phones for 550 bucks. So that could slash some of the costs on your S10. So if you're interested, check out the link down below. If you guys want to do that, sign up and order that device. But looks like they will announce it on February 20th and could be getting it as soon as early March. Now, all them Samsung heads are just biting at the lip to get their hands on this device. So we'll see if it's the real deal. Now, Xiaomi announced that the Xiaomi Mi9, that's right, will be announced on February 20th. This phone will be packing a Snapdragon 855 processor and have all the big boy specs, and looks like it could be priced pretty right for those budget conscious consumers out there. Now, they could be announcing something else at Mobile World Congress later in the week, but the big news is the Mi9, but who knows, they could be releasing something else. The Mi9 also will be apparently 5G compatible with a modem built into it, but who knows what they're gonna announce at Mobile World Congress. Could be something greater and better coming from Xiaomi. Xiaomi's not the only one announcing big plans. Looks like OnePlus is gonna get involved into the 5G. Not sure if this is gonna be the OnePlus 7 later on this year that will be packing the 5G. My question is, how much will this OnePlus cost if it has 5G? As we all know, it's been very budget friendly at around $500–600. You add 5G, woo, we could be up to $800, $799, around there. That would not be good for OnePlus fans or OnePlus themselves. Don't do it. Keep your price down low. That's the big appeal for your devices. But it looks like they're gonna have a demo unit of the 5G on a OnePlus device at Mobile World Congress. So we'll just have to check this out and see what they offer. But OnePlus 7 could be dropping later this year, and then the OnePlus 17, and so on and so on. Also, big news out of OnePlus. Looks like they'll integrate Google Duo into their dialer, messaging, and contacts. As we all know, Google Duo is the app that you can do video calling on your Android phone, sort of like FaceTime, but for Android. It's a very excellent app. If you haven't used it, check it out. Call your friends on your Android or even your iPhones to check out Google Duo. I don't know if you can get your iPhone folks to even try it. They'll be like, what? I have FaceTime. I don't know what you're talking about. But it's okay. Walk them through it because you know. You know what I mean. But it looks like this could be a really cool feature on OxygenOS if they institute this into the OS so that people could do video calling easily and reasonable. Pixel 4? Yeah, that's right. We're already talking about the Pixel 4. As we all know, the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL were released last year and everybody loved the notch on the Pixel 3 XL, but it looks like the Pixel 4 patents are out. Looks like it's not gonna have a notch. It's gonna have that full screen display. We'll have a single camera, Snapdragon 855, probably the best camera still amongst smartphones, but it doesn't look like it's gonna have some of those other things that people reported about having modular design and all that. That's a bunch of BS, don't believe it. But the Pixel 4 will release in October. Now the Pixel 3 Lite and the Pixel 3 XL Lite looks like they're gonna be coming out probably in spring, so look out for those. Looks like it's gonna be a budget-friendly Pixel, sort of like the Pixel 3, but a little less money to compare with the iPhone XR, maybe. So check that out. Looks like this phone will not have the Snapdragon 845, but it'll have similar cameras, similar design. It'll just be a little lighter. And finally, it looks like the Pixel Watch could be dropping this year. That's right, they're gonna go against the Apple Watch. I hope they do this because honestly, Android Wear or Android smart watches haven't been very good the last couple years. When they first came out, they were interesting with the Moto X, and the Samsung Gears are pretty good with the Samsung Pay. But as far as any other watch, they just don't compare to the Apple Watch, which is an excellent, excellent device. So I'm hoping that Pixel Watch can give them a run for their money. I prefer to go old school with my watch because guess what? You never have to charge them. That's gonna do it for TGiTECH. Thank God it's tech. Thanks for watching. I'm Android Stud. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Android Stud. Also, leave a comment down below. Like this video. Join the party, people. Subscribe to the channel right here on Android Stud. Thanks so much for watching. And thank you so much for getting me to 10,000. That's gonna do it. I'm out of here.